Alright, we're back again with another video. This time, I'm going to show you how to use a very inexpensive practice amp, the Champion 20, to make fantastic tones. The key is, everything has a parameter. If you push the gain too much, it has a digital clipping, doesn't sound good. If you push the volume too much, it makes the speaker sound funny. Same thing with the bass if you push that too much. Treble can be too ice picky if that's pushed too much. But if underdone as well, it equally sounds as bad. So this is a little fine-tuning parameter thing. Today we're going to be using the Jimi Hendrix Fuzz Face Mini, the band of Gypsies Fuzz Face Mini, and the LBP1 booster. Alright, without further ado, let's get to the sounds. Clean signal. Moving on. Clean signal again. Band of Gypsies. LBP1 booster, clean signal. as you can see, they all sound different, but they all clean up very well, and they push this amp. I would say that the LBP1 booster actually isn't as transparent as they say. I think it pushes the bass quite a bit, and if I was going to use that pedal by itself, I would actually turn the bass down on the amplifier to compensate. So other than that, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have comments, please leave them down below. Alright, talk to you soon. Peace.